Flashbacks made me wish I had you back. Backtrack.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar.
Yes, I eat a flesh, you know the rest. I wake up and I fuck on the bad bitch.
Before the video even begins, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, especially if you are new here. Make sure you guys subscribe to me, like this video, comment down below. I want to interact with you guys, so yeah, comment down below, like this video, subscribe to me. Welcome back to my channel if you already subscribed to me, and yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm about to try that natural cereal. Yeah, that. So today I have strawberries, but that's it. And the coconut water with sugar. I'm missing out. Let me see if we have ice cubes. Nah, it's empty. Nonetheless, we're gonna try this simple thing. These things inside of here, this white thing is supposed to be coconut bits, but I highly doubt it. Anyways, let's go. It's only because it has sugar in the water. Y'all be trying y'all coconut water without no sugar, the natural organic kind. But yeah, just eat it with just. Welcome guys back to another YouTube video.
Do you watch?
On the same day, but anyways, that don't matter. So I'm trying that, that's TikTok trend where they doing the healthy cereal where you drink your, have these fruits and a coconut water. Yeah, I done did that. I just don't have no ice. But yeah, probably with the ice it'd be busting. But yeah, it's just, I don't have strawberries in here. I don't really care for the rest of the fruits, but let me go ahead and eat it on camera. Only on camera. And I get that coconut water with sugar. Okay? Not the ones that I got in here that my sister and brother said that they taste like water. Well, my sister said it tastes like water. I did not use that coconut water, which is supposed to be the natural one. Whatever. Is anything natural nowadays?
Wait a damn minute. What?
Anyway, so y'all just enjoy life. I'm feeling I don't know what to tell y'all. Yeah. Yes. I wish she's coming again. All right. I'm done. Anyways, that was good. Yes.
Let me pretend I care.
All right.
Okay, I'm done.
So yeah. I bought me another clipper so I can keep this low look, you feel me? But yeah. Purchase today. Yeah. I like my lips. What's your best feature on yourself? My smile and my lips. I actually like my dimples. But anyways, make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys comment down below and comment what TikTok trend you want me to do for YouTube.